Hi, I'm Dr. Gaetano Morello. I'm a practicing naturopathic physician. Been practicing for over 22 years in West Vancouver, British Columbia. Today we're going to talk about a really interesting, fascinating product. It's called Allergy Block. And what's interesting about this is the fact that, there's a lot of allergens in the atmosphere. I mean, dander, pollens in the springtime. People have hay fever because of it. People are allergic to cat hairs. There's all sorts of different compounds that we're allergic to. So the go-to products on the marketplace are, these allergy relieving, these antihistamines, and a lot of people don't like taking those types of products. How about if we had something that could block those allergens from getting inside the body? Wow, that would be a solution. And so that's what Allergy Block actually does. It's a powdered spray, a patented powdered spray that you spray into each nostril, and you'll feel it when it gets into the nostrils. And what it does is it creates a mucus line within the nostrils that blocks all those allergens from getting inside the body. It has over 24 studies, very, very effective in reducing the incorporation of allergens into the body by blocking their entry. What a phenomenally fascinating way of reducing your exposure to environmental allergens. So this is Allergy Block is really quite the product, and one you can use on a daily basis.